Relating to chi-square test, you have already learned in your statistical methods. When the data is of attribute form, you cannot use normal distribution related testing, hypothesis testing. You have to go for chi-square test. So the data is like a categorical form, like above 21, above 60, something like that, 21 to 30, below 21, like that you have, or it might be male, female. These data are called as categorical data because the data represents a particular category and not by the character. So for any of these type of data, you can do hypothetical testing, and it should also be have a corresponding Likert scaling data. That will be more apt for the sake of applying chi-square test. So in this thing, we will just do the chi-square test. I am inserting a sheet here. Of this data, I am just going to take the educational qualification of the people, and again I am going to take the level of awareness with regard to terms and condition. Only for these two datas, you can have it adjacent itself, but for the sake of better understanding, I am doing this. Now, this is how the work has to be done. This is how the table will be there. Here they have taken age and the terms of awareness. So in this case, you know how to merge the data. I have already, we will see again once again. So with regard to the column heading is age, then you have the 4 levels of Likert scaling: extremely aware, moderately aware, somewhat aware, slightly aware. So the last column will be your total column. To bring out this type of impression, I will show you how it is to be done. So first let us have the column heading. So for the column heading I need to know, so I am going to data and filter so that I will be able to get the options. So these things are another way. This is what is to be done. So one is school level. First one is called as school level. Second one is degree bar diploma. Third is postgraduate. Professional, and the fifth one is others. You should avoid others category. If there is any others category, postgraduate, professional. In the same way, in this you have extremely aware, moderately aware, somewhat aware, slightly aware. Extreme, slightly aware. So for all these things you have to put a, you have to combinedly give the table. These two things relates to the educational level. So what we are doing is we are merging. So to merge cells, choose the two cells which you want to merge. Go for the option merge and center. Now these rows has been merged. Now you can give us educational level. Now when this need to be wrapped, you also should choose the wrap text also. So now the column has been wrapped. To resize it, you can use your left cursor and your cursor to remove it. Similarly, this part can be merged. Merged and center. Level of awareness relating to terms and conditions. So for this you have to give your column heading, which will mean extent of awareness of terms and conditions. We have to prefix with educational qualification. Educational qualification and extent of awareness. So now this also need to be centered. So you choose the columns, use your merge and center. Now this also need to be aligned, so you can use your shift key plus arrow marks to extend the topic space. And if you need one more row, we need a table column heading, so we are just shifting it downwards. Now you can again merge this part of it and give the heading table. Whatever number you have to give, you can give it. Now for these things you need to give border. Total column also need to be given. So you choose all and give the border line. All borders. So everything will be clear. Now here again we need to merge these two things and give the heading total. If you are going to give percentage, that could also be given. If you want to unmerge, you can again unmerge. Here the total need to be given only for the bottom part. So this could be merged. This way also you can do your correction. One minute. This heading should come here. This need to be split. So we are unmerging, then we are merging and remerging. This is how you can do it. Extent of awareness. These two need to be merged. So now you can merge, unmerge any time, and you can also do your modifications in this pattern. We need columns for the column lines for this, so you choose and now click it. Now everything is correct. So this is how a table has to be prepared in Excel, which you can copy in your Word document and using AutoFit to content and AutoFit to window, it can be aligned.